Hello and welcome. My name is Kamini. I'm going to give a tarot reading for the month of November. It's going to be for Virgos, the Kanya Rashi. Virgos, you have the Judgment card coming for you for your overall energy for the month of November. You have the Abundance card, your love life or your committed life, and you have the Knight of Pentacles for your career and finance. Judgment card is your overall energy or your advice card for the month of November. Now, the card tells us that maybe there could be some kind of decisions, your personal life decisions that you're going to make in the month of November, or it could be also that maybe you are going to reconcile with someone who you might reconcile with your partner, or you might want to reconcile with your partner in the month of November. However, some decisions are going to be made uh, which you will make for most Virgos. This will be the reading, your overall energy for the month of November. You're going to make some decisions in your life in terms of your personal life. Now, specifically in your love life, committed life, I have the card of abundance for you. Here, what I understand from the card itself, that you are going to feel that you need to be abundant in your personal life, because the card is coming for your personal life, specifically for your romantic life or your romantic relationships. Here, the abundance card tells us that we need to cultivate some habits or habits that will help us to build abundance in our personal life. So you might have to analyze what are the things that you can do to improve your personal life, what are the habits that can be cultivated to have a more advanced, more improved personal life, I would say. Abundance card can be for any area of your life. If it's about your health, if you feel that something needs to be done, maybe some kind of improvement, some kind of health improvements or habits that you want to change, that also, because the abundance will come only when you change your habits or you change the way you are doing something to get a better improvement. Now, this is again your love life. If for some of you, I would say, not for all, but it would be that you might have to change certain ways of working or living, or certain habits to maybe cultivate more abundant life in your personal life. Now, the last card is your career and finance. You have the Knight of Pentacles. Now, this could be your energy, or this could be somebody who is going to come in your life in the month of November. The card is a Pentacle card, the Earth energy, and uh, it's telling us that you are very stable in your career finance in the month of November. You have made stable. You've been you have made your money, and you're quite stable in that. You're quite you have the resources. You are quite comfortable in your finances in the month of November. Or there could be somebody who comes in your life in the month of November who is the Knight of Pentacles, and he may appear as an honest, reliable person, or you might have these qualities. You are quite honest about your finances, quite reliable. I would say that you know how to take care of your finances, you know how to invest in things, you know how to invest your money, you know how to stabilize your finances. So I would say this could be your energy, irrespective of your gender, or this could be somebody coming in your life who would be quite stable, maybe somebody quite reliable and quite practical in their career and finance, maybe coming in your life for some of you. This is your reading for the month of November. I hope you've liked your reading. In case it has benefited you, definitely you can subscribe and you can leave a comment. I do give personal readings. Till then, thank you so much.